10 divided by 20 can be written as 1 over 2. And again here we have 10 divided by 20. So 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 10 divided by 20 can be written as 1 over 2. Then divided by 10 and divided by 20. Now we have to do this division. 1 over 2 divided by 10. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And again here we can apply the KCF rule. Change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. Okay, so we have 1 over 2 times 1 over 10 times 1 over 20, which equals 1 times 1 times 1 gives us 1. So 1 over 2 times 10 equals 20. So 20 times 20 gives us 400. So we have 1 over 400. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 400.